In this video, you will learn how to open a long trade on Bitget. By following these detailed steps, you will be guided through the process of executing a long position effectively on the platform. Begin by navigating to the Bitget exchange website. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during the trading process. The site should load completely, providing you with access to all trading features. Once you're on the home page, locate the Futures option on the main menu. This section is dedicated to futures trading, which is essential for opening a long trade. Click on Futures to proceed to the next screen. After selecting Futures, you will see options for different futures contracts. Click on USDTM Futures, which is specifically designed for trading with Tether, a popular stablecoin. This will take you to the futures trading interface where you can choose your desired trading pair. Next, find and click on the trade button associated with the trading pair you wish to open a long position on, such as BTUSDT. This action will redirect you to the detailed trading interface where you can input your trade parameters. In the trading interface, select the limit order type. This option allows you to set the price at which you want to open your long trade. A limit order is beneficial as it provides more control over the entry price compared to a market order. Now, click on the available button to check the amount of USDT you have for trading. It is crucial to ensure that you have sufficient funds to cover the quantity of the trade you intend to execute. If your available balance is less than your intended trade size, you will need to adjust your parameters. After verifying your available balance, proceed to click on the price field. Here you will enter the price at which you want to buy the asset. Ensure that this price aligns with your trading strategy, as it will determine your entry point. Next, click on the quantity field to specify how much of the asset you want to purchase. Enter the desired quantity based on your available funds and risk management guidelines. This step is critical as it directly impacts your potential profit or loss. Once you've entered the quantity, click on the time in force option. This setting allows you to define how long your order will remain active. Choose the appropriate option based on your trading strategy, whether it be good till cancelled or another setting. Finally, click on the Open Long button to execute your trade. After you confirm this action, the platform will process your order. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your long position has been successfully opened. If there are any issues, the platform will provide feedback on what needs to be addressed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.